Hey, it's John here again. It's 97 CR250R, has monster graphics. Everything is pretty much new cosmetically, except the front tire and the levers, and the side panels. That's just about it. It's a little bit muddy. I had it back on the trails about 2 days ago, but I love this bike. It's Pro Circuit. Fatty pipe, Pro Circuit exhaust. I think it's Dunlop back tire, then Supercross front tire, or Moto, something like that. And new front forks and fork seals put in it just really recently. And about 30 hours of riding put onto the new top end rebuild. Hand guards. I don't know if you can actually see it right here. No, you can't really see that, can you? But it has CR grips, Wasco piston in it. Has some crank work done to it, but I'm not really for sure what's been done to it. Just usual stuff on it. Well, I guess I can start it up for you real quick. Shouldn't be too hard to start up. Well, these two strokes are actually, all of them are pretty much cold natured, and you're an idiot if you put starting fluid, ether through it. You're just gonna burn out the rings, because that stuff is real bad for it. It's kind of like dumping diesel into a gasoline motor. It'll just burn out everything. Or if you just dump gasoline into a diesel motor, it'll burn out all the glow plugs and rings. But we found a good place to set this down. Yeah. Well, if this retarded iPod falls, I don't really give a crap. It has a case on it. Alright. Oh crap. Well, let me start this back up. This time I'll just hold it while I'm starting it.